message. Thank you for using Delta. As you can see, all scripts are here. What's up people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic, guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your profile official and just click here and copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select script. So I will select Forge Cap and Option. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. Let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Scroll down and just click I'm not Roblox to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay. So let me play this. Okay. Let's see, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, we have this panel, and as you can see, we have this message: thank you for using Delta. As you can see, all scripts are here, so this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.